Dear students, in today's class we will discuss about weighted aggregative methods. This weighted aggregative method is, in previous class we were discussing weighted index numbers. So how we construct weighted index numbers. So we have constructed them yesterday by using price relative method. Now today we will talk of some more methods for construction of these index numbers. Weighted index numbers are say weighted aggregative method. Now different economists have different views on the construction of these weighted aggregative methods or weighted index numbers. Now some economists are of the opinion that we should take current year quantities as the basis of construction for index numbers. Some are of the view that we should take base year quantities. Some say current year quantities, and some say that we should take both base year quantities and current year quantities for construction of basis for the construction of index numbers. Now, for an example, there is a well-known economist known as Lespierre. So Lespierre uses base year quantities as weights of different items. So his formula for estimating index value is P01 is equal to P01 means price of base year as compared with that of current year. 0 means base year and 1 means current year. So P01 means that price of current year in relation to base year. So his formula for estimating index value is P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 and multiplied by 100. By multiplying this by 100, we convert it in percentage. So that means the value which we will get, that will be percentage increase. So his formula is like this. This is Lespierre's formula. Now after that there is Pasch's method. On the other hand, Pasch uses current year quantities, that is Q1. So far as Lespierre is concerned, he uses Q0, that means base year quantities. Pasch uses current year quantities Q1 as weight for the construction of index numbers. His formula to construct index value is P01 is equal to sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 and multiplied by 100. Now after that there is Fisher's method. Fisher has combined both the techniques of Lespierre and Pasch. He used both base year as well as current year quantities for the construction of index numbers. So his formula for index number is P01 is equal to under root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0, then multiplied by sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100. That means the first one, sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0, it is Lespierre's formula, then multiplied by Pasch's formula, sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 and multiplied by 100. So he has taken square root of the product of these two formulas, then multiplied by 100. Fisher's formula is treated as an ideal formula for construction of index numbers. So in next class we will discuss construction of consumer price index. So that we will discuss in next class, and in this class these three formulas we have discussed. So okay.